Guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you guys back. So today I'm doing a drift flipping of this dress. I saw a video picture on Pinterest and I fell in love with this picture right here. I love how it looks so cute. And then I discovered that wow, I have something similar because of the stripe. Whenever you're drifting, the fabric is very important. One of the things when I do when I drift, I check the fabric and I like to work with stretchy fabric, and this is quite stretchy, which works with any project, even if you're a beginner. And then the color, this is chocolate brown, so I fell in love with it, and I knew that no matter what, there's going to be something awesome that can we create with it. So immediately I saw, I was just glancing into my Pinterest and then I saw the ad of this dress and I knew I just had to have it. So stay tuned guys if you really want to learn how to do this. See you. So first thing first, you're just going to remove the sleeves because you need to work on the body part first. Next is to cut out the shape of the dress. So I'm just going to use this bodycon dress as a pattern for it. So if you already have a pattern, you can use it, or if you have a dress that you love the shape, you can use it. So this one, I'm just going to A shape it from the waist parts because I noticed from the dress it's like a shape, so it's not completely bodycon. It has a little bit of flare from the waist. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just curving it like as if I'm drawing an A. So that's what I'm doing here from the waist part. So next I'm just going to take in the length of the dress before I cut out the shape I have already drawn out. And the reason you're not seeing it is simply because I think is the contrast is not much. I couldn't find my white chalk, so just bear with me, but I'm actually cutting the shape that I already wrote out. So now I'm just going to work on the front part first. I noticed the neckline is actually square shape, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut out a square neckline. So I'm just going to use the front part to cut out the back part. So the back neckline is not going to be deep, at least 2-inch depth, but the width is going to be the same as the front part. So next I'm just going to sew the shoulder together and then the sides down, both sides down. So before doing that, I just quickly run a bias around the neckline of the front and the back part using the same material. And then the trick to having a proper square neckline, just nip where the square edge is on both sides before turning. This will give it a perfect fit and sit on your chest line perfectly. So this is it after joining. Next, I'm going to work on the sleeve. So to get a proper fitting of the armhole, I'm just going to measure the armhole and use it to measure where the sleeve should start from, and then I'm going to reshape it and then add a bit of length because I noticed this sleeve is short, so I'm going to add additional fabric to increase the length of the sleeve. So the sleeve is ready. I'm just going to nip the middle part of the sleeve so that by the time I start attaching it to the armhole, I'll know where this part is supposed to be. So the trick to fixing this is just to put the joining to the joining of that armhole at the down part and then take it up with the direction of what you've nipped at the very top of the sleeve. So now that the bodice is ready, I'm just going to add those other things that makes this cloth very cute. So I'm just going to use this fabric. This is not actually white because I feel white will not go with this chocolate brown. So I'm using off-white, summer creamy kind of feel. So I decided to add this girly stream to the very top. So this place, on this place, you can just go all out to do whatever fits your style. So that's what I'm doing. So now next I'm just going to cut out the bow at the top part of this dress. So I'm making the entire length is going to be, of course, 80 inch. So because I didn't want to add a light gun stain, I decided to add excess fabric inside. So I took it in by 1 inch. This will give it a good firmness when it's turned over. So now is to add those frilly details. This is actually net fabric that has a bit of shine to it and then some beads. So this gives it a more elevated look and just bring the whole look together. So this is it. This part is ready. So the whole arm side, it's 15 inch on both sides. That took it to the back. So in case. So next is just to put this small strap that I'm going to use to fix in the bow. So just watch how I'm going to fix the bow. So this is it, the bow is ready. So the next thing is just to tack it on both sides. This is to keep it in place when it's standing up, when the dress is on you. And this is it, guys. I'm so in love with this. I love how this turns out. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's something you can recreate? And please share your own thrifting tips with me in the comment down below. I really love to know yours. And please like, share, subscribe for more DIY fashion videos and thrift flipping. And of course, there's a lot more coming your way. See you in the next one. Bye for now.